Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute top combo in Dress to Impress. Only needed 3 items and you don't need VIP at all. You're going to go to codes here and you are going to get this top in the top only toggle, and we're just going to color it red. You can color it to whatever color you want. Then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to get the Valentine's Quest prize. And I'm going to color that red in matte and then in light silk in a pattern. You can use any pattern that you would like, of course, in any color. I'm going to add this top and I'm going to color it red the same as the rest. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!